Motherfuckers took the highest card off the table.
Who's on that
First
island?
try,
Is
not
it me?
me.
I think it's me.
It might be you and Jared.
I think it's both. Oh no, I left.
I think it's me and Chaz.
Is that the right one? I think it's just Dylan.
Is it?
I think I dished because I knew I wasn't gonna make it.
Might have. You might have. Top one's up.
It's just dry bone.
It's just Dill.
So what am I doing?
You're losing half your coins, which means you gotta take a drink. Is that what
You
you're
did
doing?
lose some points, eh? The slicky wicket. Go Dilbo.
Bilbo Baggins.
Sorry, audience. No, not again.
Multiplayer.
It's a single player minigame. I'm gonna lose my shit.
Yeah, no. If he gets a single player, that's some horse shit.
Multiplayer, got it. We're all getting coins here.
That was bullshit when I didn't get a single player one.
But no. Be more
Three.
than one.
Three.
Come on. Like, come on. Oh my god.
Bro, you're such a
You're
fucking
such a
whore,
cheap piece
DK.
of monkey shit.
Damn. Bananas faster.
Dude, is
Peel
that
out.
what-
God damn it.
faster?
That's ours. Peel out.
This
Slide
one
one. Slide
again?
one.
Bananas faster is the go.
Do you like me some bananas faster? Alright.
How's this one? What? I didn't want to go that way.
I got 8.
I got
I
9.
lost.
I got
Damn it.
7. I didn't want to go that way on the last one.
Got 8. Should have gone right. I went right
I
twice.
think I like the seltzers more than White Claw now.
They're both seltzers. Like, what?
But the
Versus
flavors on the
Lights.
the Bud Lights
The
are
Bud Lights
good.
better.
I don't like this. Not those. The cola ones that were
Oh,
like.
listen, them bitches hit.
I don't like those.
You're
Those are
catfishing.
so thick.
Kid, dog.
What thing? What the fuck's going on with my life? What the fuck?
And that is a drink. Yep. Cool.
I feel like I've been below 10 coins for 5 turns.
I'm at 16, thank God. Chaz is the only one who has. Why would you not use that?
I have
Just gonna
16
save it?
coins.
Oh. Oh, yeah, Jared has. Yeah, Jared has all them bitches.
I don't have coins.
You have 49. Point
Who's
star
won-
goes
who's
to.
won-
I don't know who.
Who's
Dylan.
minigame? Who's won minigame?
It's either Chaz or
The
Jared, because it
J,
ain't
man.
me.
It
'Cause
definitely
it
isn't
ain't
me. It's not me. That's for sure.
Jimmy's got a fucking roll. Sugar.
I just booted.
Alright.
Oh my
We'll hit the
god.
star here, so.
That's
Look at that.
Let's go.
DK!
Do not piss me.
Okay. Donkey
The
Kong!
second turn you guys
The
were
feet
playing
of
on
the
the
monkey.
base bases.
Yeah.
Donkey
Well, he's
Kong!
finally back.
Single player!
So Jimmy, take a drink.
DK
Well,
minigame!
would we agree with this was a full finish of the drink?
Yeah, for sure. I have very little.
Wait. Didn't I win on DK space?
Yeah,
Oh, it was
is
multiplayer
a
one.
single
It was a
player.
multiplayer one. Ooh. Oh!
This is almost a.
Come on, Jeffrey. Let's root for his downfall.
Where's she short? Okay, I already saw this one. I already saw this one played, and it was ass. So
Yeah.
I have to
Start.
thumb match though. I have
He's
to thumb
coming.
Oh,
match
and I'll tag team.
because I have to move.
This is probably, yeah, he probably had.
Fuck. I have to thumb match. Yeah. I just gotta move. All right. Fuck, I meant to move.
Yeah, that happens. I feel that pain, Jimmy.
Get hit by something, DK, you
That's what I'm
fat
saying, man.
bitch!
He
Dude,
doesn't
he
miss.
Get hit by
He
shit.
doesn't
How
miss.
does that
He
hit?
doesn't miss.
This is bullshit!
doesn't miss.
This is a fucking
I get it,
horseshit
Jimmy.
minigame.
I get it. I get it. I was there. I was there, man. I get it.
I'm gonna stone cold 2 beers.
Damn, Stone Cold Stunner you.
Me and you, Jimmy. Feel that.
Because that
Bro,
motherfucker's
he doesn't
different.
hit. He doesn't get
different
hit
on that one.
It doesn't make
So
sense.
stupid. How do you?
Bro, he's
What do you
different on
mean?
that one. I got hit twice.
I'm mashing the best I can.
Twice.
Oh, the 1v3. Oh, what?
I was closer than
Different,
Jimmy.
real dog.
I was right there.
Yeah,
The
he-
hitbox.
he got
Started off great.
Dude, he got hit more than me. Like, no.
Oh,
like,
this one sucks. Oh shit.
Oh, the pogo one.
I didn't even press A. Who pressed A?
Well, it
Wasn't
sucks,
me.
But it's the pogo
Oh, it's
one.
a practice.
Basically, don't fall through the goddamn cracks.
Don't go.
Don't fall through the cracks. Is what it is. He spins the stage. We don't fall through. You're on a pogo
Oh, it's
stick.
a 1v3?
You're on a pogo stick.
Sorry, audience.
You're disgusting.
Oh, I almost fucked up immediately.
Oh, well, he absolutely sold me. That was tough. Nice chest.
Oh, it's I'm out.
Yeah, okay, jerk.
I thought I was gonna get over.
Jerk kicked our ass. Little drinks. Little drinksy.
Yeah.
Donkey Kong.
feet
Donkey
of
has
the monkey.
fucked us all.
He's undefeated.
He's unbelievable.
He should win minigame. Star.
He should.
Oh,
Like, he
I'm
should.
broke. Fuck.
You're broke as shit. Yeah, we're all broke except Jared. Except Jared. He has 7 stars.
What's
Here,
this?
bet over this.
Oh, I'm moving the star.
Thank you, because I didn't want to hit it. Thank you.
27?
We're on 27, I
on
think.
27.
So I think we're on 8 turns left. It's gonna pick a loser between us fucking people. It's gonna be you, because you have 4. So he's gonna give you an advantage here.
Give me a boo.
There it is.
Oh, man.
That's smart, yeah.
I need to start winning more.
I agree.
Jared is so good at minigames. Like,
He's unreal. Kid is unreal. It's up and around. It's the quickest way. Chaz doesn't have enough to use his Wheeler yet, so.
Nope.
I can lose in minigames.
There's Flutter, Wheeler. I go on, not a lot of boards have been hit here.
No, yeah.
Yeah, not a lot of oars have
Not a lot.
been hit.
I mean, three people landed on Dylan.
Yeah, Dylan's fucking orbs. Fucking. Why'd you go down? Oh, wow.
You didn't. Or that was
Yeah.
before the
I
storm.
went all the way to the
But-
top.
Chilling. I was like, he's gonna
You're
miss
gonna
out
miss
on the
it,
straw,
but
but
you're
he'll be
gonna
on
do the
he'll be on the
same
same
thing.
island, which
Yeah.
is fine.
Which is good.
Oh, and he hits an arm shot. That's also pretty
What's
chill.
going on here?
Not shit.
It's pretty chill.
Not bad at all.
Team Luigi, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna use it. Oh, let's go.
I'm sorry.
Fuck, that's not enough, but let's go. Let's fucking go. Okay. Take 13.
A big fat 13. Why don't you go visit the shop?
Let me see what the fuck's in here.
You got cocaine in
Not
there?
shit. Okay. Not fucking shit. Got
Who
it.
claimed the pink boo? Was it Chaz or
I
Jared?
claimed the pink boo. I have one.
Oh, big coaster ride. Let's get it.
You got a
Pink
pink
boo.
A pink boo orb?
And it gives him a pink boo? Why does this game hate me?
We've been fucking grinding for these pink boos.
And Jimmy, fucking God,
Hey.
gives him last place, and it's like, yeah, just fucking.
You're in last place, but yeah.
I'm sorry, I am in last place, but it knows I'm in last place, and it's kicking me in the dick.
That is fucked up. You're gonna get like
Tapping you in the balls.
Toadsworth's
It's
blessing.
yeah, I know.
But
It's
yeah.
not. It's not slapping my balls in a fun way.
Yeah.
That's
It's
a good
just
point.
tapping
Play
you,
anything.
flicking you.
Us versus
Me.
stupid Jimmy.
RL,
Fuck am I doing?
RL, and you should have
You're
moved.
dodging our
Oh, okay.
bubbles.
Got it.
Our bubbles do
Oh, no, I'm gonna get you in one shot.
horrendously slow.
Wait, what?
I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why the fuck my shit.
You gotta
press
use
on
the
R.
triggers.
Oh.
Yeah, I had to figure that out too.
I'm not gonna lie, with 3 of you, shit is ridiculous, but. What?
No way! No way! That hit you! No way!
The dinks! The dinks! The dinks! That boy
That
different!
hit you at the end. I swear to God, that hit you at the end. I swear to God.
Different!
Mine went. It was in Jimmy's ass. Mine was in.
Mine was
his ass.
on his tail.
Boy,
I swear to
diffy
God.
for real.
My last shot with the last 2 seconds was on your tail.
Take that bitch. To the bank.
To the bank.
To the bank. That guy didn't hit that question mark space. I'm not gonna lie, the question mark space hasn't been in place since like turn 5. But
So, Jimmy, did you land on my space?
throwing a hat. No,
What?
I did not.
How are you there? Did I throw
Because
that?
I used the coaster and then it put me there.
Gotcha.
Yeah. You got a fucking flutter.
flutter.
God damn.
Game blessed you finally.
You did. It did. You should go. You should go right. You should go right. Oh, you should go right.
If I go up, it's
You
gonna
should
move
go
the
right
star.
though. But
It's gonna move it.
it's not. It's not. Because you're gonna have
Oh,
to fucking fight Bowser.
you gotta
Jr.
fight.
Oh, if Jared can't beat him,
If
it's
Jared
undefeated.
loses this, then I'll be like, okay, this game's hard.
Oh no, he's kicking his ass. He's kicking Bowser Jr.'s
Alright.
ass.
Oh, Jimmy, at least me
Yeah,
and you are on
beat
the
his
same
ass.
page.
Yep, beat his ass. Beat his
God, you
ass.
get 20.
What?
20 coins!
You get 20.
Man. I don't get-
Buddy,
You had enough.
you had enough.
Go.
I know, but I wanted to,
Do Bowser Jr.
I wanted to try to just get there so I don't have to waste the flutter.
Do Bowser Jr. Yep. Beat his ass.
Either way, like, I get a star.
Beat his ass.
See if it's just me and Jimmy.
I think it is. I think it is just me and you. Yeah, I think we just fucked up.
Yep.
Oh! Oh no!
Fine bet.
It's high!
It's a tie, no one gets shit. I couldn't beat that.
Stop out of
fucker.
here.
I'm still a king.
Shut up, dude.
Thank you. I pride myself on that.
No, let's get the fuck up here.
There are lots of pink moves on the board.
Ton.
Villains has been there since the start of the game.
Pretty much. That's a good shot. Prime point, thanks, man.
I got a second link to it. I was gonna lose my mind.
Ooh, Battleman again. Duel. Let's get it.
You know what? Fate decided you're
Let
doing.
fate decide. It's always still in!
I just use it for first.
I guess so.
The wheel of whimsy.
So loser of this shot.
Yup.
Wait, oh.
Loser, this is a shot.
Well,
And then if you lose
If
a
it's a
star, it's
star.
all
No,
star.
no, because
Oh,
that's what we were asking last time when it was a tie between you and
It's the
Dylan.
bow.
It's L and R.
Control
for-
left propeller, control right propeller.
Who do you got on
RD
this?
process fast.
Who do you got on this?
Got it?
Jeremy.
I bet a drink on this.
Okay.
Just like a sip. Alright, I'll take Dylan.
I got James.
Dylan's retarded.
Wait! It's opposite.
It's rocket science, Dylan, I'm telling you.
It's just like riding a fucking canoe.
You have to press both to go forward.
Oh shit, you do.
Or you go forward faster.
You
go
go
forward.
forward faster if you do.
Oh, Jimmy.
Oh, you did it. Good.
I don't know.
Jimmy's getting shot.
I am bad.
Jimmy's getting so
Bad.
fucked.
I lost bad. I lost bad. I mean, I did.
I pray to God you don't lose a star.
I swear to God if I
Because
did.
then we're in trouble if you lose a star.
Oh my god, if you lose a star.
5 points. 5 points. 5 points.
Okay. It's like
It's like
At least I can buy. At least I
Okay,
can.
so 20.
At least I can buy a
So
star
20.
again.
Cool, I still have 20. Okay. I still have a shot.
still got a shot. We won.
Okay.
Oh, James.
Holy shit. Actually, no, give me the Evan Williams one. Cointagious.
we played this one earlier. A lot of reach
Ooh,
games
it
as well.
smells.
Sad.
Jameson.
There's a lot of minigames in this.
Stronger?
They were just unlucky.
What's the percent on that?
45.
More than James. It just smells. It smells rough. Oh, it's this one. Fuck.
I hit all ones last time we did this.
I hit like 3 zeros.
I hate my life. I should have taken James. gonna cry. Like,
I respect it though, Jimmy.
I
respect
love
it.
whiskey. This is rubbing alcohol. This.
It smells like whiskey.
Don't smell any.
Well, no shit, but
Thanks, Dylan.
I like
Your
it.
collective influence.
Not a fan. Not a
A
fan.
little bit like whiskey.
Maybe if I wasn't as drunk, but not a fan.
I mean, I have Jared's Traverse City whiskey in my fridge at home that I've taken 2 shots out
Not a
of.
fucking fan. What? How the
You
fuck
have my
did you get
Traverse
that?
City whiskey?
Yeah.
How the
Joe
hell
gave it
did
to
you
me.
get that?
How'd you get that?
Oh, Joe.
Joe
That
gave it
makes
to
sense.
me.
Alright.
There was like one shot left, I thought. That's why I gave it to
No,
Joe.
there's one time.
I thought there was like.
I'm done with
I thought there
that pee in
was.
my fist.
The Evan Williams, listen, the Evan Williams bullshit
Not good.
hits. Hits
Oh,
ridiculous.
there's another one.
Hits ridiculous.
Another one.
Another one.
0.
Another one.
A 3, let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I got a 2 for once.
A 2, let's go.
Another one. Back in
One.
my
Zero.
board.
Okay, I'm okay with that. A 1.
A 0. Well, there goes
A
that.
3, let's go. I won.
Got an 8.
Which one am I drinking?
It wasn't you.
No,
it's everyone.
I got a drink.
Oh, it says
To
it.
everyone
And
besides
lower than
me.
Jimmy. Yeah.
Jared has 78
The Traverse
points.
City whiskey was good.
It was.
It was good.
I don't know, that just...
Dude, that wine we had at camping, I did not like. But the wine that Joe brought last weekend, I liked.
Depends, it really does depend on the wine.
I don't know.
The wine was very mid.
Because Joe gave me like I just took a straight from the bottle. I was like, oh, this is good. This video has devolved into nonsense, and I apologize.
love
No,
it.
we
We
love it.
love
That's,
it.
that's why people watch Drunk Let's
We
Plays.
love the nonsense.
That's why
here.
people watch drunk stuff.
We love the nonsense. We're all still functioning. Nobody's
No
on the
one's
couch
that far
passed
gone.
out. This
Yeah.
is great. You didn't want to use the fucking flutter, eh? Good. Good. Good.
Okay, what is this? Is this a drink?
This is a shot.
This is a shot. This is the Bowser
I
spot.
can't believe I didn't roll higher than 3.
This is the Bowser. No,
Wait,
please
what's
don't.
going on?
Please
Like
don't.
six
Slots?
Please don't.
With me.
Fuck.
Okay.
Does this mean I have to do a shot now?
No. This mean. Oh, you guys are swapping coins?
Oh, that's good for me. Fuck yeah.
So that's a shot and a drink, by the way, but
For
Yeah,
who?
you lost
for
coins.
him.
Gained coins.
Technically lost coins. It's a shot and a drink. You can do whatever you want, man.
Yes. Yes.
No!
I'm gonna have to drink.
Guys, calm me down.
Dick.
Wait, is this
I
all
need
of
a
us?
drink.
Is this all of us?
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh. That was very fair. Be real
Trying to be a
honest.
lamb.
What?
Be a lamb.
Be a lamb pour you one? I don't even want to be near this again.
As long as it wasn't Dylan. Oh, Dylan has more coins than me now.
So I can buy any store I want now. It's my land
Oh,
on.
you could grab me.
There you go.
No, I did.
Might be like a shot and a quarter, but
You got your Coke there.
it's not horrid.
Who's Yoshi? Jimmy?
Yeah, sorry. Waiting for Jared to do a shot here.
Let's go, Jared.
Just wait for him. Hey, come on now, Jared.
Jeffrey's watching you.
Hey, come on now.
We'd like to drink with Jared.
Oh, and a boy.
Let's go.
Oh, the kid's unreal. Fuck the splatter. The kid is unreal. The kid is a goat. Hey, hum now. Hum now. Oh, hey, come on. Goddamn. Move the damn mic. Jesus Christ. We weren't playing Bloody Knuckles. Goddamn. Didn't have to Mike Tyson my fucking fist. Alright? Jesus Christ.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
I couldn't roll a goddamn
Oh, Lord.
3. Mine last, though.
Fuck the Koopa Kid space. Because I'm probably going to hit it. That's why I did
I
it.
took a risk.
I'm probably going to fucking hit
Is
it.
thing gone? It's gone.
Well, the other Koopa Kid spaces, but yeah.
Oh, please let me.
No, I'm not.
That's not it.
But, let's see. Let's shop a little bit, eh?
Slaughter.
Slaughter.
Nope.
Eat a dick. I will take the Super Shroom for 10, though.
Eat a dick, eat a dick, eat a nut.
Suck a dick, suck a dick, suck a motherfucking dick, suck a dick, suck a huge or small dick.
Two bros still in a
Hot tub, 5 feet apart because they're not. Okay, wasn't gonna say it.
Yep.
Wasn't gonna say it.
Can't say that.
Jared is what it is.
Who cares?
Jared, please
Yeah, that's what the video
edit that
is.
part out.
What do you
I
mean?
understand,
That's
but
what it
you
is.
can't say that word. You can't say that word, Dylan.
Is that word really offensive?
Yeah, it is now.
Okay,
It used to
now
not be.
We're getting into cancel territory.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Sorry, viewers. Oh, I'm dead. Well, there goes
Dylan
that.
just walked into.
I just
my
dropped
life.
I didn't know what
17
was
bombs
happening.
on your ass.
What is going on?
I didn't know what was happening to be fair.
I don't know what's happening.
No way I didn't hit that. No way I didn't hit that either.
Should be some.
I am. Big time. Hit that one. Hit that one. Come on. Come on, bomb bombs. Come on, bomb bombs. Shit.
We got it.
I thought I blew up. I thought we both blew up.
Honestly, didn't know what the fuck
I
was
thought
going on.
I thought we got collided like in.
That would have been insane.
Feels horrendous.
Feels horrendous.
Absolutely
Down
horrendous.
Alright, I'm just saying we gotta get off. Oh, wait, no, that started out.
You got one more turn.
Sorry.
Don't play.
Feels
I
horrid.
was playing.
Yeah, feels horrid.
I died right away.
Get
2.
your phone taken away.
Well, there goes my.
Who's on this island?
Me.
Literally all of us. I'm gonna use this just on.
You're a you're a
the
whore.
prayer that
You're a whore.
You're a whore!
You're a dirty fucking slag. I hate
Slag?
you.
What?
I had to bring some goddamn British slang in there, dog. Like, this kid
Just
belongs to
bring-
the
You're a
streets.
fucking wanker!
He belongs to the
Wanker, mate.
streets. The streets.
I'm still in fourth.
The streets.
Bring it up there.
This is me. We all drink now.
Shut up, you dirty
And it went up there. Yep,
Wow.
it went right in
It
front
Just
of me.
past me.
Hey,
Fuck.
thanks, man.
Alright, now we have to get off this island.
Yeah, I agree. Feels good, mate.
If it brings it my island, I'm gonna throw a hazy pit.
And I got it.
No, you should have.
Oh, you can't.
No, I can't.
Can't get it. Visit the
There's the-
orb shop.
I'm gonna sank.
Going to mash for
away
you.
from getting out.
Need
off this island.
another beer.
Where's mine? Well, I did grab another myself. I'm good. Let's go, Chaz. Let's go, Chaz.
Go,
It's tied. It's tied. It's
Beat
tied.
that kid! Oh, you were one away. One
I
win
tried
away.
the Jared method that time.
The pretend you're writing method.
Yeah.
You suck at
There's
it.
a reason for that method too. There's a reason.
I was going crazy.
Glad I got this, Hal.
everything over. That was very
Super
good.
Shroom, I'm glad I got this.
I
Because
don't
I
even
can
know
get
how
off
you
this
knock
fucking
somebody
island.
over.
That's what I'm saying.
I can get off the island. I didn't care about the star.
Yeah.
Oh.
Gonna get it. Take your fucking
Oh, you're only
threes.
one away from me now.
Take your threes.
What was that?
I don't know, I thought it hurt.
Take your drinks in your hand.
Good
Alright. Cheers.
Oh.
Cheers. Hey, attaboy. 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's right in front of this space here. Wait a minute.
Pineapple.
I want to go away from wherever the.
Pineapple's gone.
Well, I can get another one.
Pen.
Jimmy's gonna get another one.
I can't get another
No, we
one.
can't. Yeah.
I can't. I'm gonna get out.
Here we go. Cocktail hour.
Take it.
Almost another
16.
day.
Thank God it's not on my island. I would have been pissed if it was on my island.
Couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. The star's there. That island's gone. I'm good on it.
Oh, Betterman again.
Let's do like 10.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good with
Alright,
that.
that's fair.
Everybody has
That's
10. It's good.
That's fair.
Everybody has 10.
Alright.
The final countdown. I'm with it.
Sorry.
Can I get another drink before we do this?
Hell popper?
You want some of my seltzer?
No, Jess. God.
I got you, Jeff.
What enough here to last us the.
Hey, no, Chaz, before you go up,
Can you do it?
Put the Coronas back in. Oh shit! They're all empty.
can you put these two back in and grab a cold one?
These are like kind of cold.
Just grab a colder one. I thought they were warm. I assumed they would be warm, and then I called you back, and then I felt bad. Vote.
I voted final countdown.
Let's go helicopter, Dylan, and it'll be
What the fuck? Helipopter? Move. What the fuck does that mean?
Fly the helicopter.
Pop balloons.
Just move for it.
Fly the helicopter and pop balloons. Got it. This helicopter's about to move like GTA, dog.
Sure.
Why am I top left?
You can definitely get hit by fucking fucking bullet bills as well.
How does Jared have 6 already?
I have 5.
I have
He's a
2.
bullshit. I have 6. I have 7. I have a 3 stack.
I still only have 2.
Fuck. Whoever just took that is your mom's a hoe. I'm gonna be real honest with you. Jared is
I got shot by a
fucking
missile.
15. Yeah, bullet bill shoot, but no, you don't.
I said you should.
I lost horribly. I came in
no,
third.
I got last. I had 4.
Dude, we all.
I had 4.
I couldn't find any more after that. Dude, how many 3 stacks did you get? Cheers.
Luigi to mission control. I got 1.
You got 1. 3 stack?
Yeah, I got 1 3 stack.
I didn't lose any coins. Do I still drink?
Yes.
Yeah.
You lost the minigame, did you
It
not?
was only the first one. Bowser time.
Am I on this?
I'm gonna drink again. I'm gonna lose 9 of my coins right here. Oh no, not.
Am I on there?
I don't know where I am.
I don't know where I am.
That was nobody.
That was nobody. Ooh.
Yeah, nobody was allowed.
I moved.
5 turns
Last
left,
5
boys.
Wait,
Shit.
doesn't he bring people up? I thought he brought people up and it was like,
He
oh,
brings the platform.
I was like, you're a sorry loser. You get to.
Yeah, well, maybe there's after this. Well, yeah, right? Wait a minute. After that minigame, yeah. We still have to go for half-yearly sale. No way.
Was half off right now?
It's half-yearly, eh? Which he's already offered that sale 4 fucking times, but I only have 8 coins, so please don't put it in front of me. Please.
It's franchise.
On jaw. It's right in front of me. I'm gonna cry. He's gonna get it. Okay, well, he's gonna save it for like the last turn.
I don't have enough coins.
You gain coins in like 7
Dude, I've been getting
And it's so.
Ooh.
Drinks on Chaz. Like, feels
There's a
horrendous.
mushroom
I'm gonna
thing.
use this. Why not?
Ooh, a 3. Oh, yeah, good enough.
Fucks MySpace, but also fucks.
You have to eat the both of those?
Yeah.
I hate you.
Got a boy. Oh,
A pink boo!
boo!
What?
Pink
Stole a pink boo that you would literally have landed.
bullshit.
You would have took the pink boo that you would literally have landed.
Come on, man. 2v2.
That
Wait,
is such bullshit.
hey, what are the teams? What are the teams?
I would have gotten a star.
Me and
Me and
James.
you.
I think this is
Pyramid
They're
scheme.
moving grab points.
Just grab coins.
Let's go, Jimmy.
Catch coins.
I'm locked in.
On God. No fucking miss. We're gonna move together. But yeah.
I didn't see any bags, so.
Oh, of course it goes on their side.
Cute that. How did I get one? Oh, what?
Woo! Big bag.
Let's go.
Waiting completely
Nice.
Let's go, Jimmy.
Go for the
Oh,
Fuck,
fuck.
we didn't get the bag, but whatever.
Go up.
You got it?
Damn.
16! Let's go, baby! Let's go, Nil. Let's go. Feels good. Feels great.
Thank you.
Oh, here it is.
Oh. Come on.
We gotta clean up on aisle 3.
Yes, sir, Miss Bowser, sir. Here's how things stack up. Poor Luigi is bringing up. Poor Luigi is bringing up the rear.
Fucking up the rear.
Yoshi is in third. Second place belongs to
I'm
Mario.
last. I'm
And Dry Bones is in first place, Mr. Bowser, sir. That's a bother. Some shit. So let's shake things up. Wahahaha. Luigi!
Luigi, you sorry sack of shit.
Bowser's Fun Wheel! Times 3 points.
Everyone's
Jesus
always
Christ. You could have gotten stars out of that.
It's
but
never
yeah.
Always that.
It's never not that.
Yeah.